Once you have carefully selected your desired route and then completely activated your specific schedule, full list and inventory. First, you will want to navigate over to the section labeled Route Data. When you are ready to manage your transition settings, you can choose between the options for Current, Split Overground, and Schedule, all of which are organized according to the specific list that you have already created within the application. The waypoint has changed color for you. Well, looking at this specific section here, basically this part isn't really relevant to our current task. The schedule feature will automatically display the estimated time of arrival according to all the complex calculations it has already made right here in the system. Therefore, it is much better and more efficient not to leave this schedule active for the duration of the passage to avoid any potential confusion. You should always make sure to leave the current split overground setting active at all times. Once you have done this, the interface will automatically update to show you the actual current data, including your precise movement speed and your estimated time of arrival to the very next waypoint on your route. If you find that you no longer have a need for it, you can simply navigate over to this section and choose to unload the schedule from the system. Once you have done that, the process is complete and you will see that it has successfully removed this specific schedule from your current view.